Okay.
Your makeup bit does, isn't it? Green makeup.
Here we go. This is a 2000 John Deere 9400. It's on a W plate, 425 horsepower, 799 hours. Apparently there are only two in the country, and this one's got a lot less hours than the other one has. Four-wheel drive and articulated. Everything else, as you can see, it as you see it there, ladies and gentlemen, now. And there is the logbook, there are keys, and there is the manual. A super piece of kit, an opportunity, golden opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, now, we're going to start with this one. You're going to be 50 grand for this one. 25 only bid, and 25,000, 25,000, 25, 30, and 30, 35, 40 if you like, 35,000, 40 if you like, 35,000, 750 if you like, the 35,000 all done, 35, 36, 37, 37, 37, is it 38, at 37, 38 LB, at 37, all done, at 37, bids over there, it's 37 pounds, 8 LB, at 37, the bid is down here, it's 37, against you over the far side, 38 if you want, at 37,000, at 37,000 pounds we're going to sell, 38, at 38, 39, 40 if you like, 40, at 41, 41, is it 42, 42, 42, 43, 43, 43, against you, 43, bids here, at 43, you're going to sell him, at 43, 4 LB, at 43, all done, at 43, 4 if you like, at 43,000, come on now, at 43,000 then for the first time, then at 43,000, selling down there, 43,000 pounds for the second time, at 43,000 pounds then for the third and final time then, all done, last chance, 44, at 44, 44, 5, 44, 5, 45, 45, 5, 46 is it, at 45, 46, at 45, 5 and 6 LB, at 45, 5 and 6, at 45, 5, all done, at 45, 5 again for the first time at 45, 5, second time at 45, 5, third and final time then at £45,500 all done. Last chance at 45.5.